The rate functions are, in essence, the behavior of class animations. We can use the ones that are already predefined in Manim, or we can create them ourselves. You can find all the rate functions in the file of the same name in the folder Utils. Remember that each class animation can have its own rate function, and also its own runtime. We are going to learn the theory to be able to use it correctly and create our own rate functions. The x-axis of the rate functions represents the percentage of the runtime. It always starts at 0 and ends at 1. That is, if your runtime is 4 seconds, then 0% always means the second 0. 25% means 1 second, 50% means 2 seconds, 75% means 3 seconds, and at 100%, 4 seconds are up. The relationship between the x-axis and the runtime is always linear, since obviously time is linear. What is not necessarily linear is the behavior of the y-axis. The y-axis represents the percentage of the class animation. And, in essence, animations are transformations applied to the objects, so the initial state means 0% of the transformation, and the final state is 100% of the transformation. The way we get from the initial state to the final state is what defines rate functions. However, nothing forces the rate func to start at 0 or end at 1. The range of a rate function can start and end at any point, but the most common is to start at 0 and end at 1, start at 1 and end at 0, start at 0 and end at 0, and start at 1 and end in 1. Even sometimes, not always, we can have values lower or higher than 1, but these are special cases that we will study when we look at alpha updaters. Once the theory is understood, we can go to practice.